Okay, so now I'm using the Screencastify here. I'm just going to click so you can see it. Hopefully this shows up for you. I'm recording my desktop, and in my desktop window I have the options for my embed webcam and those things, play around with those features. This last tool I want to talk about, I know some of the teachers that I've worked with in primary have used this tool, and I'm not sure if it's a tool that's kind of spanned into secondary, but it's a very awesome tool to be able to use, and it's called Educreations. It's an app for iOS, but it's also web-based. So this web-based version, Chromebooks, works great. So I just went to educreations.com, and then I logged in with Google, and then this is where I get. So I have like this lessons section. I can favorite other people's lessons, and this classes section. So I can create a new class. I can give my class a name. I can select grade levels. I can do all of these things. I don't even have to do those things. I can create a class. I can invite students, so students can join my class with a code, just very similar to Edpuzzle here. And then I can send it out to students here, copy the code, paste it into my Google Classroom, give students a list. You'll get a students list here when they've joined your class. And then I can just create lessons. So I can say add lessons. And I don't have any created lessons, so let me come over here and I'm going to say new lesson. And it's a whiteboard. And this is even just a great way, for screencasting. You can record what's happening on your screen here, or you can use a screencasting tool to record for you. It's, you have very limited tools, but if you're just kind of trying to explain something, you can write in here for it, and you can also add images and kind of annotate on top of the images if you wanted to do it that way. And you can record from within the app all of these things. So I'm screencasting right now, but you saw that record button. I'm just going to pull up an image from somewhere here. So here's our iPad distribution image. And if I open up this image, I can move the image around. You'll see, look, I can annotate on top of it. I can erase. And I can record everything that's happening here. I can record here. I can also bring in, so if you're somebody who uses slides, you can export your slides from Google Slides or PowerPoint into JPEGs or PNGs, and you can upload those in here, and you can have multiple pages by just clicking here, and then you can have pages and have annotate away on top and record that. It's a really great tool for lessons. I know some of my primary math teachers use it a lot for explaining a process, doing math problems, and so forth. It's a great tool. So I don't want to go too crazy into this tool, but another option for you, or just a way to pull up some things, screencast your whole screen and kind of write on top of things or explain things and so forth. So I feel like I've given you lots of tools, and now the part of this class that's going to be different this time around is more of the time to kind of dive in, because you have the whole month, and really kind of utilize these tools and see how it goes with kids. So luck.